Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. We're gonna heat things up. Make sure to look into our Instagram and subscribe and watch our videos. Thank you.
Where are we going?
We're gonna take the parade lap around the track.
Cool.
So.
This ought to be night and day between what you just came off of.
I know, I don't get to go as fast as that, but again,
A Kodak moment, a good moment, right? There you go. Cool. So what show are we at?
We are at the AutoBahn Raceway. It's the all Ford Mustang show.
There you go, cool. Cool day, huh?
Yeah, definitely different.
One driving, and we have all these other cars in the background looking at us to watch us go drive on the lap, right?
Oh, they're gonna laugh. This is just a parade lap.
An exhibit.
That's a hell of a parade of cars.
Exactly, and this will be a great video because of the club and stuff like that. So they're gonna eat this up. I've filmed before already. Not today. The newest subscriber to US Classic Muscle Cars, or say something about your Falcon. What do you have here?
This is my 61 Falcon, and we're at the AutoBahn car show.
You're gonna go for a lap?
Go for a few laps and enjoy the day.
There you go.
I just have to say, you see this? Do you guys see what's behind me? I'm stuck. I'm stuck at a racetrack.
It's worse in
Look.
California.
I'm stuck on the track. We're not moving.
If you honk your horn, will it help?
No, I don't think so. Oh, I think we're actually going to get moving here. See you in a minute. Kind of hard because I want to go fast and they won't let me go fast.
Right, exactly.
Oh, I got in a second.
Chirp.
No chirping. They said they don't want you chirping them.
That's the bird that we brought with. And you hit record on that?
See, I already know this track because I was just on it.
Right.
So I already know. You guys don't need to brake for this. You can take it. Kind of hard because I want to go fast and they won't let me go fast.
Right, exactly.
Oh, I got in a second.
Chirp.
No chirping. They said they don't want you chirping them.
That's the bird that we brought with. and you hit record on that.
See, I already know this track because I was just on it.
Right.
So I already know. You guys don't need to brake for this. You can take it. You can tell they don't know how to drive a racetrack.
Why don't we turn that off? We'll turn that down. That's just static.
Right, there's not saying anything.
Oh, that's cool. 2, 3, that's neat. That's neat. Let's see if we have a smile on the driver's face. We do, we do.
You guys don't know how to ride a track.
Well, they're following the leader. That's what they're doing. We're getting a different perspective since we're not doing chicken duckling thing, you know? Let's see what we have behind us. That is so cool. That is so cool. And I was worried my head.
And you'd come this way and then cut in this way.
Right.
So, I mean, it's just...
And I was worried my hat was going to blow off. I'm teasing. This is fun.
Because I just drove this track.
Yeah.
So, it's funny. You take the corner in.
There you go, nice. Don't tell me we're going to be done in a minute. Imagine getting a drone and filming this. Wouldn't it be great?
Oh, this would be awesome if you could.
And then the drone,
Film
it has a, you know, a follow me stuff.
You can see that.
Warming up the tires, right?
Right, warming up the tires.
There she is shifting. There
Yeah.
she is shifting, right?
They're slowing down so much.
RPM, does it have RPM in this or not?
Yes, it does.
Oh, there it is.
It shows where the turbo is.
Oh, does it really?
Yes,
Cool.
right
I see
here.
that. I see.
Okay.
Look at all that boost. Look
Yeah,
at
all right, yeah.
3 pounds of boost.
I wish they'd let me open it up.
Right,
I'd
right,
have
right,
so
right.
much fun.
Give the guy room in front and then just... That was our spokesmodel laughing and enjoying herself.
I actually am. I wish I had video footage of you, like if we had the drone out here and doing this. This would be fun.
Yeah, wouldn't it?
It really would. So, oh my God, I'm actually up to 30 miles an hour and I got it into third gear.
Look at that turbo needle just bing, 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 bing. There you go. Look at that. Look over. I hear those springs.
This car cornered real well. It'd be nice to open this up on this track and see what it could do.
Right, right.
For as small as it is and as light as this car is, I'm curious. You know, maybe one of these days.
So I accidentally merged this video into the previous video. You know? Right?
The trucks are trying to.
Yeah.
You're like, hold on.
RPM.
Let the Mustangs behind me.
Actually, it's smooth.
And a little bit of room.
I love
Oh,
that
this
sound.
is.
I love that sound to it. Smooth engine.
That car squeaked.
Oh, did it? Did it?
Bad suspension on it. You could hear somebody just squawked him. I'm enjoying this. I hate to say it, this is fun. Even if I'm just turtle speed.
Right,
it's fun.
Yeah, there you go.
All right, they're gonna slow down. Now watch, the truck's gonna get on it.
Trying to figure out how I should describe this video.
You know what?
You know what I mean?
I don't know. Comical lap.
Right. Fun going.
Just fun times at the track.
Fun going in circles.
You know, fun time at the track.
There you go.
It's a good one. My left eye keeps watering.
Oh,
Just,
you're having so much fun.
I think
That's
it, I
it,
am.
There you go.
It's,
Cool the engine down. Cool the engine.
oh yeah, cool the engine down. Hi. Now, I just got out of the car with you guys. Okay. You've had a rivalry between the two of you on who could, like, race better or just...
No, he has the rivalry with me.
Okay. So,
However, we now have visual evidence that
Hi, you're watching US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you also share this to your friends. I'll see you guys soon.